The S Pen might not be the only thing the Galaxy S21 borrows from the Note 20. I was wondering about this when I heard that it was going to share features so much so that people began to speculate on the future of the Note series. I was wondering, well, what else is it possibly going to have? Because the Note series, what's special about it is really just the S Pen. Like, that's why it's the Note. Anyway, this is a tricky headline because it's not exactly borrowing something good. It's actually something that people probably... I don't know how much people care about this in 2021. Took me a while to say that, too. 2021, shout out. Congrats, everyone. We made it to 2021. You are here right now in 2021.
Let that sink in.
You are, Will. You're here right now.
Yeah, I'm here.
You're here? Good for you, man.
Yeah. So it's Otis, you know.
Otis and Pepper going wild over there. Yeah. Everybody's here. You're here. You're watching this. We made it. 2021. All right. But anyway, yeah, the feature is the micro SD expansion, which Samsung has been holding on to on its S series products. This surprised me to read that the last time they didn't have that was all the way back. Check this out. All the way back. Check this out. The Galaxy S6 didn't come with a micro SD card slot. So, wow. A lot of micro SD expansion. Some people care about it. Some people love it. It is a cheap way of expanding your storage and not having to pay that initial upfront premium for the higher storage model of the S21. But yeah, it looks like they might get rid of it, which... people could be upset about because the S21 series has always represented this really dynamic feature set.
Yeah.
People could point to and say, well, your iPhone doesn't have that.
Yeah.
And this is one of those things. However, there's a bit of good news here from the same individual who is leaking the spec sheet. He says some markets will get the charger in the box, though. So maybe it's not a no charger sweep, where they're all gone, which is what a lot of people expected. That could be only a handful of markets where they've put up a fuss, like Brazil.
Yeah.
But we'll wait and see. You might end up getting a charger after all, depending where you live if you buy an S20.